20 years ago, in a world where the telecommunication business had reached its saturation point, a new trend, the so-called location-based services, arose. These services integrate a mobile device's location with other information so as to provide added value to a user. With 750 million customers in 2012 and expected 2.1 billion by the end of 2016, LBS is a fast-growing industry. The predominant challenge in an LBS technology is determining the exact location of the user. For that, two main technologies are currently in application. One is GPS, where a satellite with a certain reception area receives a signal of a receiver who can be localized when inside the designated area with an accuracy of up to 13 meters. GSM offers a far better availability due to its stronger signal, but its accuracy is low at a maximum of 500 meters and it can only determine in which segment of its reception area the mobile phone is located. Satellite-based GPS came up in military usage. Vodafone can add to emergency cases with security services. The commercial sector is composed of communication, where Vodafone can contribute with matching services, information with regards to content services, and entertainment that LBS especially addresses. The basic LBS concept has 5 actors. The network operator connects consumer and service provider. The content provider is responsible for its internal data management. The user is interested in a high quality of service. The service provider offers the personalized content to the user, and the advertiser wants to address customers over the network. The network provider provides connection to the user and network data to the context provider with a connection fee. The user provides data such as his current location and requests information from the service provider. The advertiser is displaying personalized ads to customers. Therefore, he places ads to the requested service, for that he pays fees to service and context provider. Regarding thereby arising opportunities, the mobile provider, in our case Vodafone, adds value to its business by taking the role of network and context provider and offering additional services. The service provider will create a new business model with increasing users and revenues. The advertiser has new possibilities to reach customers. Through LBS, it is possible to use more targeted advertisement. And the user will profit by getting the desired information in the desired location with the desired quality. There are 1.5 billion active Facebook and Twitter users, the number of smartphones is continually increasing, and 22% of the world population owns a smartphone capable of LBS. We are heading towards a future where the current smart device user is connected and communicates with other smart devices in the areas of wearables, smart driving or smart home. In case of LBS, security issues are some of the biggest risks. The majority of exchanged data is user-related and sensible, like home and work address. Securing this kind of data is a must, and in case of data breach, the relationship between user and mobile provider is at risk. Other threats are low service quality and the lack of a competing network infrastructure resulting in low internet speed. The strength of Vodafone for LBS can be found in customer data quantity and accordingly gathered location data. The well-developed rich mobile network can be used for other business cases such as LBS, and the existing billing system will ease the process for our participants. As LBS and B2C should be free of charge, Vodafone should not serve own content to the users, but bid their service to other business customers due to large investment costs. Vodafone stands for easy internet access and a large network which can be enriched by LBS in the B2B market. With offerings, services in B2B markets, Vodafone can win broader business segments and achieve larger revenues. While LBS does fit Vodafone's business areas, it is only one part of it. The user must be sure that his data is never misused. Data policy is one of the most important aspects, so the overall strategy of Vodafone has to be harmonic and safe against external attacks. With its highly developed infrastructure and strong customer bases of 400 million users worldwide, Vodafone has a great basis to build up a new branch of business, while it has always been an innovation driver in the telecommunication industry. If the challenges can be overcome, adapting LBS enables Vodafone to reach for a groundbreaking new market and invest in a great aspect of a future that is soon about to come.